In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut out part of an image in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account. And once you've logged in, you will either end up in the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. But regardless of where you are, navigate over to the left-hand column and click on projects. When you click on projects, you'll be able to see all of your current projects that you are working on. Now, once all of your projects are open, all you need to do is simply click on the project that you would like to work on and remove part of an image in. So click on that once you find it, and when you do that, Canva's design editor will automatically open in a new tab. And once you are inside, click on the image that you'd like to remove part of and look over to the top row of options that appears and click on edit. When you do that, an edit image menu will appear on your left hand side, and inside of this menu, locate a section called Tools, and you can either remove a whole background entirely, but since we're only trying to remove part of it, click on Magic Eraser. Now, when you do that, you will be presented with a section called Select Area to Erase. So you can do this in many different ways. You can either use a brush, you can click, or you can use foreground or text. So we're going to keep it simple and just use a brush. Or you can auto detect, which is, in my opinion, a little less reliable. So we're just going to go with brush, and you can see the size of the brush. So we can even make our brush size smaller by dragging this brush size slider, or you can manually enter a value. So once you've selected your brush size, come back to the image and just select that element that you'd like to remove. Just do it very carefully, and once you've selected that, go back over to the Magic Eraser window and click on Erase. And once you've done that, the element will be erased from your image. Another thing that you can do, if you maybe just want to remove border elements of your image, is you can click the different sides of your image and drag inward to completely remove those parts of your image. Or if you'd just like to remove the background, presumably, let's say that's the part of the image you'd like to remove, then instead of Magic Eraser, just come to Background Remover, and if you would like to undo it, you can just click on Reset Edits, and there'll be a pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to reset your edits, and you just simply click on Confirm, and you're back to the default. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If there are any questions that you have, if there's anywhere where you struggled during the process, please feel free to leave it in the comments section below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.